We all want the best for our children. We envision a future where they can thrive and excel in every aspect of their lives. We dream of them reaching for the stars, achieving their highest potential, and making their mark on the world. What if we could give them the tools to not only reach for those stars, but to build their own rocket ships? Imagine the possibilities if we nurture their creativity and imagination from a young age. Early childhood education is about more than ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It's about fostering curiosity, encouraging exploration, and developing critical thinking skills. It's about igniting a spark that fuels a lifelong passion for discovery and innovation. It's about nurturing a love for learning that will last a lifetime. When parents and children explore the world of books together, they create a bond that strengthens their educational journey. When we teach children about financial literacy and entrepreneurship early on, we're giving them a powerful gift. A gift that equips them with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of the real world. We're empowering them to take control of their futures. By instilling confidence and determination, we help them realize that they have the power to shape their own destinies. We're opening doors to a world of possibilities. Together, as families and communities, we can create an environment where every child has the opportunity to succeed. Let's raise a generation of children who are not afraid to dream big. A generation that believes in their potential and is excited to pursue their aspirations. Let's raise a generation of innovators, creators, and problem solvers. By working together, we can cultivate a future where our children are equipped to tackle the challenges of tomorrow with creativity and resilience. Children are like sponges, soaking up everything around them. They observe us constantly, taking in our every move, our every word, and even our unspoken emotions. They learn from our habits, our attitudes, and our reactions. Every action we take, every decision we make, becomes a lesson for them. This is especially true when it comes to money. Financial literacy starts at home, and our approach to money management sets the foundation for their future. If we're constantly stressed about finances, children pick up on that. They sense our anxiety and may develop a negative association with money. But what if we approach money with a sense of purpose and excitement? What if we turn financial discussions into opportunities for learning and growth? What if we talk about it openly with our children, explaining how it works and how we can use it to achieve our goals? By using visual aids and real-life examples, we can make these concepts more tangible and understandable. By shifting our own perspectives, we can shape theirs. Our positive attitude towards money can inspire them to view it as a tool for achieving their dreams. We can instill in them a healthy and positive relationship with money from a young age. Through open conversations and shared experiences, we can teach them the value of saving, spending wisely, and giving generously. This way, we prepare them for a future where they can confidently navigate their financial journey. Financial literacy isn't just about balancing a checkbook. It's about understanding the value of hard work. It's about making smart choices with your money. It's about setting goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Entrepreneurship takes it a step further. It's about identifying problems and coming up with creative solutions. It's about thinking outside the box and not being afraid to take risks. These skills are essential for success in today's world. By teaching them early on, we give our children a head start. We empower them to become financially independent and to pursue their passions. Teaching entrepreneurship doesn't require elaborate lessons. It's about incorporating simple yet powerful practices into everyday life. Encourage your child to sell their artwork to family and friends. Help them set up a lemonade stand on a hot summer day. Turn their love for baking into a mini business by selling cookies or cupcakes to neighbors. These hands-on experiences teach valuable lessons about planning, budgeting, customer service, and the satisfaction of earning their own money. It's about fostering their creativity and problem-solving skills in fun and engaging ways. Section 5. Inspiration from Young Achievers. Look at entrepreneurs like Michaela Ulmer, who at the age of 4, turned her love for her grandmother's flaxseed lemonade recipe into a thriving business, Me and the Bees Lemonade. Her journey began with a simple idea and a passion for making a difference. Today, her lemonade is sold in major retailers across the country, and she has even appeared on popular TV shows to share her story. Or Corey Neves, who at 6 years old started Mr. Corey's Cookies to help his mother buy a car. What began as a small venture quickly grew into a successful business, with Corey's Cookies being praised for their delicious taste and quality. Corey's story is a testament to the power of determination and the support of family in achieving one's dreams. These young entrepreneurs are not anomalies. They represent the boundless creativity and drive that can be found in children when they are encouraged to pursue their passions. Their success stories are filled with hard work, perseverance, and the unwavering belief that they can make a difference. They are testaments to the potential that resides within every child. With the right guidance and support, any child can turn their ideas into reality. These young achievers show us that age is just a number when it comes to making an impact. Their stories ignite a sense of wonder and possibility, proving that age is no barrier to entrepreneurial success. They inspire not only their peers, but also adults, reminding us all that innovation and creativity know no age limits. By sharing these inspiring journeys with our children, we can ignite their own entrepreneurial sparks. Encouraging them to dream big and take action can lead to incredible outcomes. These young achievers remind us that the future is bright and full of potential, waiting to be unlocked by the next generation of innovators. Section 6. The Science of Early Learning, a Foundation for Success. Science backs up the importance of early childhood education. During the first 5 years of life, a child's brain forms connections at an astounding rate, 1 million every second. This period is crucial for developing cognitive skills, language abilities, social-emotional intelligence, and a love for learning. By providing stimulating environments and engaging experiences, we nurture this growth. We equip our children with the tools they need to excel in school, in their careers, and in life. Section 7. Cultivating a growth mindset. Embracing challenges. Teaching children about entrepreneurship goes hand in hand with fostering a growth mindset. This means instilling in them the belief that their abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Encourage them to embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Teach them that mistakes are not failures, but valuable stepping stones on the path to success. By nurturing a growth mindset, we empower our children to persevere through obstacles, bounce back from setbacks, and ultimately achieve their full potential. Section 8. The Importance of Failure, a Stepping Stone to Success. As parents, we often want to shield our children from failure. But the truth is, failure is an essential part of learning and growth. It's through our mistakes that we learn the most valuable lessons. Encourage your children to view failure as an opportunity to learn, adapt, and try again. Share stories of successful entrepreneurs who faced numerous setbacks before achieving their dreams. By normalizing failure and reframing it as a stepping stone to success, we help our children develop resilience and a willingness to take risks. Section 9. Building confidence and resilience, essential traits for entrepreneurs. Confidence and resilience are crucial traits for entrepreneurial success. When children believe in themselves and their abilities, they are more likely to take risks, persevere through challenges, and ultimately achieve their goals. Encourage your children to step outside their comfort zones, try new things, and celebrate their accomplishments, big or small. Provide opportunities for them to showcase their talents and skills. By fostering their confidence and resilience, we empower them to navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease and determination. Section 10. Encouraging creativity and innovation, unleashing young imaginations. Children are naturally creative and imaginative. They see the world through a lens of wonder and possibility. As parents and educators, it's our role to nurture this innate creativity. Provide them with open-ended toys and materials that spark their imaginations. Encourage them to think outside the box, come up with new ideas, and explore their passions. By fostering their creativity, we empower them to become innovative thinkers and problem solvers. Section 11. The Legacy We Leave, Empowering the Next Generation. The greatest legacy we can leave our children is not wealth or material possessions, but the gift of knowledge, skills, and a belief in their own potential. By teaching them about financial literacy and entrepreneurship, we empower them to create their own opportunities, build a better future for themselves, and make a positive impact on the world. Let's raise a generation of children who are not afraid to dream big, work hard, and make their mark on the world. Section 12. A call to action. Invest in our children's future. The journey of raising future millionaires starts today. It starts with a simple conversation, a fun activity, a shared dream. Let's commit to investing in our children's futures by providing them with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Let's ignite their entrepreneurial sparks and watch them soar to incredible heights. The future belongs to those who dare to dream big and work hard to make those dreams a reality.